So we're in Fresno, California, getting ready to reinstall a toilet here. We had a old wax ring had worn out and failed, and I already got that off of there. The flange underneath is a combination plastic and steel. It's got a powder coating on it, but it's pretty much corroded off. You can see right here, this guy, you can see that's the powder coating. And unfortunately, what happens with that coating is it'll just wear through and then it eats the steel, and you can see it's corroding right here. So not so bad over here where the bolt goes. You can see it's through the blue coating, but the steel's still there. And so we're gonna go ahead and get some bolts on that, and brand new bolts, brand new wax rings. I'm gonna replace that supply line, get the toilet reset and shimmed, and then hopefully that'll last you, for the duration of ownership of the home. You don't bump it around too much. It's a very thin metal. We don't like these rings. We don't use them. We like the solid plastic. They're about a ½ inch thick. As long as you don't over tighten them, they'll last forever. So anyways, we'll get busy on this, take another video when we're done. So we're still in Fresno, and we've got the toilet set. We did replace the wax ring, the brass bolts. We went ahead and put a brand new supply line on there as well. You can see the corrosion on that supply line, and it's been reused multiple times. I just don't like to leave with something that old, probably original to the home, and it's been used over and over again. So, it's $8 for a supply line, $6, no big deal. And it's just a little insurance. Shut-off valve is a solid steel. A lot of times you get a plastic packing nut in here. That guy's a steel pack, it's a stem, and then a plastic packing nut, as opposed to the plastic stem. And of course, that guy not leaking, so that's good. Right now the toilet is filling correctly, it's shutting off correctly, it's flushing correctly, it's not moving. We got some shims around it. We're going to get some caulking on here, flush it a couple more times. Outside of that, this installation is done. So still here in Clovis, California, on the hall bath now. You can see double sink, and then toilet, and tub shower combo. Anyways, the spout had corroded and rusted out, and the diverter had broken off, so homeowner ordered a brand new diverter straight out of Kohler, replacement part right there. And it was the spout was designed for copper, so they put this sleeve in here, and then of course copper slides in. There's an O-ring, and then you've got a nut on the bottom that you tighten up. Well, it's all iron pipe stub out, so all we did was just took that sleeve out and screwed it on there. Some glue in there. They glue that little adapter in there, and it leaves some residue. So we got that all cleaned out, got some Teflon tape in there, and this puppy's tight. It's tight, tight, tight. It's tight to the wall, tight to the world, ain't going anywhere. So anyways, we're gonna take some clear silicone, this little guy right here, and run a bead around there. Outside of that, this installation is done.